Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of these Interlocking Foam Mats by Mainstays Kids. I'll be telling you about the features of the mats and telling you about my own personal opinion on them as well. Now, as you can see, I've actually purchased two separate packs of these mats. I started off by purchasing the numbered set, which has the numbers 1 through 9, and then I purchased the roadway set that has all of the roadways and the neighborhood things that you see in the middle. Now, the coolest thing about these mats is that they actually interlock together. So these were two separate packages of the mats, the numbered mats and the roadway set. And I actually just interlocked them together to make a much bigger area for my son to play in. Now, overall, I am absolutely happy with them because they're easy to clean. They're very informative and educational. They're really nice to feel. They look good. They're smooth. I really have no complaints about the overall look or feel of the mats. Now we're going to take a close-up look right here at the roadway set. You can see that they actually interlock really nicely and there's a really smooth transition from one mat to the next. And the roadway is actually very informative. You have multiple roadways and so many different things to teach your child about. Now this is the actual transition between the numbered set and the roadway set. You can see it's a very smooth transition as well, and the texture of the numbered set versus the roadway set is slightly different, and I view that as a good thing because when you interconnect them together, just like I did, the child will get to feel two different textures, which is absolutely great. Now the numbers actually can be removed from the mat, so you can see I've pulled out the number 1 right there, and I'm just holding it to the side, and I'm actually just going to place it down back in there. Now when the numbers are removed, the child can actually see the floor, which is absolutely great. I also like the fact that the actual numbers and the mat portion around the numbers are different colors. It really adds a nice level of visual appeal to the child. Now, once again, here are the various things that you can find in the roadway set. Now, you can see there are so many different things. There's a shop over there. There are many environmental things. There's a hotel right there. You can see sort of the roadway has traffic lights. It has division lines between. There's a fountain there. Lots of trees, lots of different buildings, curves in the road. And I can tell you that one thing that I enjoy doing with my child is I enjoy getting a little toy car and just sort of driving it along the roads, because that allows the child to see that the vehicle or the toy should be staying within the area of the roads. It gives them a sense of what is actually happening in the world. You can see there are some construction signs over there. There's a mall over there. There are tons of things to look at. But that's basically it. Overall, I am very pleased with these Interlocking Foam Mats by Mainstays Kids. Once again, I've combined two different packages. I combined the number package and the roadway package. And you can do this with as many of the packages as you want to connect them together and make your area much larger than you can make with simply one of the packages. But that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this review. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.